Good morning. It's a wonderful morning in the neighborhood again. Once more, this is Miss J, giving you the next step for App Creator 1, Period 1 and Period 3. So we have finished our flowchart. That's what it's called. We finished our flowchart, took care of that. So we were here, and we need to be down here to the amazing algorithms activity. So you're going to be using your algorithm that you've built as a starting point to build an app that moves the bus from the school to the museum. So when the user selects start, all right, so you're going to create a code using your algorithm as you've written it with all the steps, test and debug the code as you go, and fix any errors. Revise your code and include for loops so that it has at the least amount of redundancy. Compare your code to another team's. So you probably want to go ahead and make a copy of the copy so that you can go ahead and get this done. So did you choose the same route for the bus to travel? If not, which route was shorter? Which route has the least amount of redundancy or repeating things? And you can identify all the loops in the program. So this is, you would go back to your PLTW, and you need to sign in here. Okay, you would be signing in as a student. And then you go to courses, and after courses, you're going to go to App Creator. Click on App Creator. Oh, you probably won't have anything coming up like I do. Okay, and so, oh, I already had it. It's already there. All right, so now we want to go and we want to make this one smaller. And, oh, there it is. Okay, so I have another one, and I called it A2 underscore 1 underscore keep me in the loop, keep me the loop underscore making the loop. So this is where I would go ahead and I would be doing all my information. So what I would do first of all is I would say, okay, I got to find my starter button. I got to make sure that my starter button looks like this. So you tried a loop with this before with your numbers here. And remember, from is talking about if you go back up here, from begins up here. From starts with the from, to, and by are my parameters, and my named is my header. Okay, so we know all that stuff, and so we would need to go and we would need to build using a similar algorithm to this one, because this is your start button flowchart and your corresponding code. So this is what, if you were to put this in over here in your code, this right here is the flowchart of this. In other words, what this says is what this says as well. All right, so that's what you would need. You need something similar to that start button, okay? And so then it has to move through. So you would have to put in your start button. So that would be the first step. So if I was you, that would be my first step, would be make sure I get that in there. And then you can delete that block that you used previous step, and you can use your algorithm, amazing algorithm chart, as a starting point to build an app that moves the bus from the school to the museum when the user selects start. So you may use something similar to that. If you find something that's different that works better, you might want to try testing this one that's right here. So you put your start button in and go. These are the questions that need to be answered, and using your code, creating the route that the bus will take. And if you could, I would like to see screenshots of the bus each place it goes, or you can do a short little video for me and put it in there. It's up to you. Okay, this is Miss J. Have a great day. Good day in the neighborhood.